Here, all we got to do is ground this wire right here and it'll blow. Let's try it. It's a choo-choo train. Okay, so Dasha doesn't know yet that we took the closet out of the truck. There's the right closet. Look how much space it takes. Dasha, come check it out.
Смотри.
О, все, давай ее.
Эти черные решеточки здесь были.
Ага, ну их нету.
Не, они там.
Закопай. Check it out. So we got the rest of this train horn project working on. I punched a hole with a screwdriver through the existing wire grommet, and it's coming out here underneath the seat. And here's the line right here. Comes out of the floor. So the horn came with this plug here that doesn't work, and we're going to use this plug that we got from Fleet Farm where we're at. So the way it works is you fasten in the one end and put the nut and the ring on the rest of the line. Put the line in as far as it goes. Put the ring in. Put the ring in as far as you can get it in. And just start fastening the nut, and it'll crimp the ring and seal the line in. All I have with me is a pliers, so. So I just took this out that connects my seat. I'm gonna put in the three-way, connect the seat to the truck to the horn. So there it is. It's just the truck, seat, and now it's the horn. Before it was just the truck and seat with this one. These are just the quick connect lines. I don't know if you're familiar, but they just go like that, and then they don't pull out until you push in on the rim and pull out. So we got air to the horn. We just need to add power, positive, negative. We're not even gonna relay it. We're just gonna straight up wire it with a fuse, and that's it. All right, I got it installed and wired up. Let's jimmy rig it. It's going to this wire. All we gotta do is ground this wire right here and it'll blow. Let's try it. It's a choo-choo train. No, babe. You know why it sounds so quiet?
Why?
Because there's no air in the system. Start the engine. It's like a паровозик, да? Is it getting louder as the air is building up? No? We'll see how it is. Okay, so we got enough air. We pumped up a little bit. Honey, push the steering wheel button and I'll hook this up to the seat. Push it a little bit. Just push the steering wheel a little bit. No, посигналь. Okay, so that's the stock, and this is the train. Сейчас, тихо. It's not that loud.
Yeah.
It's not like a... Or is it loud? Let's hear it again. It is kind of cool. I think more pressure goes to the stock one.
Is this horn connected to that one?
No. So I don't think I like it that much. I think I just wasted some money.
Good toy. Поиграла.
Good toy. got to find a switch for it. Otherwise, this wire's going to get loose and then it'll blow the horn at night, the train horn.
Please fix it. Make sure it doesn't. Okay, that was truck horn. Louder, much louder. Да.
So I don't know if you know, not only do you get to handle beautiful exotic luxury cars at Tiny's Towing, working with them, but you also get a fabulous shirt to wear. So check them out, Tiny's Towing on Instagram. They're also on YouTube. They've got more experience than even I do, and probably the best company for you to team up with once you have some experience. They even have a small program for new guys to get in the industry and just handle regular daily drivers. If you really want to handle the exotic cars, build your experience, team up with them, and they'll give you this fabulous shirt to wear that you can give to your woman and she'll look great in it. Or you could just wear it yourself, look like you're sitting on top of the world in it. Tiny's Towing. Check them out.